Welcome back. You're watching Metro Morning. In fact, big news that we're tracking as far as Karnataka is concerned, leading to the Congress leadership churn. While, of course, this has been rumors within the state, let's tell you, amid the clamour over DKS's elevation, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah sidelines the clamour. Sidda says decision to be made by High Command. What Veerappa Moily and others say not important. I will go by High Command's directive.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಈಗ ಮೊಯ್ಲಿಯವರು ಹೇಳೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಹೇಳೋದು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು.
ಸರ್ ಖರ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಖರ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಬೇರೆಯವರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಬೈ ದಿ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್.
Neha Hebale, my colleague, joins me for more. Neha, very good morning. This is not new in terms of what Siddaramaiah has said. In fact, it's repetitive of what he's always said, while we have reported on indications of how other ministers have also looked at it. But what has really prompted this reaction is against how Veerappa Moily, spoke about it. But more importantly, this is a statement that both DKS as well as Siddaramaiah say that the ultimate decision is in the High Command's, side of things. But how do we read into this? Is there more than what we're looking at?
Well, Nivedana, time and again, this whole debate of who would be the Chief Minister of Karnataka keeps cropping up every time, a senior leader or an MLA for that matter, or any congressman makes a statement about this, this whole debate gets raked up again. This time around, the Chief Minister there, Siddaramaiah, not mincing his words, making it very clear that the final decision would be of the High Command. Now, that's something that even the Deputy Chief Minister has been saying. Now, if we are, of course, realistically to talk about whether there's going to be a leadership change in the state or not, it is something that, was discussed at the start when Siddaramaiah, in fact, took over, of course, or rather took over the reins, in fact, got to the helm of affairs in the state, is when there was a discussion of maybe a 2.5 year, power distribution between the two. However, as far as, of course, that particular debate is concerned, when we've questioned leaders from the High Command, when they've been in the state as well, there hasn't been, a very pointed answer there to this question. We'll, of course, really have to wait and see. But until such time, of course, it does seem like the speculation around this, would continue. It wouldn't really die down as long as Congress leaders in the state continue to talk about this.
Absolutely, Neha. Thank you for joining us with more perspective on that. Only time's going to tell how this is going to pan out. But for now, we leave the conversation at that. From Karnataka.